Okay guys, here working on the Cuda today, putting in the new headers, the new exhaust system. It's not tied in yet, and then we're going to decide on the type of mufflers. That's going to be fun. I'm thinking on this car a set of hush thrush, but I'm going to find out from Paul what he wants and we'll go from there. All in all, she's looking good. She's dirty now. I got fingerprints all over her, all kinds of crazy stuff. So now we'll get her all buffed out again, and heater box repair kit, and it's looking like we're going to wind up having to change the vents and the hoses that are inside the ductwork. It's that flimsy paper and wire ductwork, so we'll kind of go from there. We'll see what's happening. We'll keep you guys notified. See you in a bit.